Army Reserve.
Allow me to say some words of gratitude. Colonel Edgar Mangabay, sir, fellow officers of the 701st Ready Reserve Battalion, enlisted reservists, members of 701 CBC, led by Lieutenant Colonel Terencio. Good morning. First and foremost, it is with deep gratitude that I would like to thank the 7 RCDG Group Commander Colonel Mangabay for his guidance to the battalion. He's one officer that I will always consult and supported the battalion, unknown to you. It's because during the time when he came in, the battalion or the unit was used as an example, unfortunately as a bad example, which I had an information given to me by my successor. We were used as a bad example. And it was through Colonel Mangabay that we had transformed the battalion from a bad example to a very good example. And I thank you very much, sir, for your help and guidance. And to the rest of my officers, the battalion staff, company commanders, platoon leaders, and even NCOs and members of the 701st, I thank you for your cooperation, your dedication, your commitment to serve the 701st Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion. For the new members, be proud of being a member of the 701st RRIPN. Just to mention at least 5 accomplishments during my term, which is 6 years, 6 months, and 18 days to be exact. First and foremost, a record that we made was we were the lead unit in having the AGOS training, air-to-ground seminar operations, air-to-ground operation seminar training, at no cost to the Philippine Army or the Reserve Command. And it was participated by all reservists, 186, coming from 701st, 702nd from Bohol, 703rd from Negros, 704th from Siquijor, 1901st Brigade, and 5th Arcel, composing 186. And no less than the Commanding General of the Philippine Air Force was our GOHAS during graduation. Again, no cost to the Philippine Army. And I'm also proud to say, sir, that we were the 2022 NRW champion. 2023, we were also the National Reservist Week champion. And we also had been adjudged as the year 2023 as the best battalion. And recently, 2025, we had the best reservist enlisted reservist in the name of Sergeant Crisgolia. And lastly, in the year 2020, I was chosen to be the best reservist officer. We already accomplished in terms of enlisted reservist, enlisted the reservist officer, and the battalion as the best. Then, you should be proud of being a member of the 701st Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion. This is a very clear manifestation that from a bad example to a very good example. But again, I cannot do that alone. I always consult the officers, even consult enlisted reservists or senior officers before embarking in such, let's say, activity which is good for the battalion. But again, I always keep my commanders informed. I always talk to the CDC director, and I also get clearance from Colonel Mangabay. I do not do things without the clearance from our group commander. I always ask clearance or even get his words of wisdom. That's why I am very thankful to him. We cannot achieve what we have achieved without his proper guidance and support. And with that, I thank all of you for your support. Keep the fire of volunteerism burning so that you can achieve more with my predecessor. As my parting words, we, as a battalion, the officers and enlisted reservists, we created a path and left a trail so that other units will follow. Good morning. Let me read now the orders. Headquarters, 7th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Camp Lapu-Lapu, Apas, Cebu City. General Orders Number 113, Relinquishment of Duties and Responsibilities. Pursuant to Section 1, General Orders Number 189, Headquarters Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Camp Rio de Dios, Tansa, dated 19 June 2025. I, Colonel Antonio T. Esmero, Officer -146294, General Staff Corps, Philippine Army Reserve, hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as Acting Commanding Officer of the 701st Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion, 701st Community Defense Center, 7th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, effective this date. And I sign in your presence. Lieutenant Colonel Ruel Hugalbot, I am ready to relinquish my post.
The incoming battalion commander, Lieutenant Colonel Ruel D. Hugalbot, Philippine Army Reserve, will now read and sign his assumption orders.
Headquarters, 7th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Camp Lapu-Lapu, Apas, Cebu City, dated 06 July 2025, General Orders Number 114, Assumption of Duties and Responsibilities. Pursuant to Section 2, General Orders Number 189, Headquarters, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Camp Rio de Dios, Tansa, dated 19 June 2025. I, Lieutenant Colonel Ruel D. Hugalbot, Philippine Army Reserve, hereby assume the duties and responsibilities as Acting Commanding Officer of the 701st Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion, 701st Community Defense Center, 7th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, effective this date, and I sign in your presence. Colonel Antonio T. Esmero, sir, I am ready to relieve you. One step forward. Ready. Up.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now witness the handover of unit symbol to the presided over by the Group Commander, Colonel Edgar G. Mangabay, Infantry General Staff Corps, Philippine Army, Group Commander of 7 RCDG.
Unit symbol, the symbol of the class of confidence, the circular of the symbol of the and I answer. Ready, up.
Thank you, sir. And now we shall now